If you're struggling to unlock the pull-ups or increase the repetitions, then you're most likely not weak, but rather you're training wrong. So if you fix these things I'm going to talk about, then you will unlock the pull-ups so much faster than you think. Just like this client, which I helped go from 0 to 5 pull-ups within a month. Also, in the end of the video, I'm going to give you a pull-up program so you can actually follow for the next 30 days to get your first pull-up. So let's get to the video. So let's start with the biggest reason why you probably can't do pull-ups. See, a lot of people fail to build a strong foundation. And when it comes to the pull-ups, the foundation of the pull-ups starts with your scapula. So if your scapula are not strong, you're most likely not going to find it easy to progress in. So the first thing you should do is prioritize the scapula pull-ups. You want to do them slow and controlled. Simply think about bringing your shoulders down, closing your back together. You can also add weights if you want to make this a bit more challenging and boost your progress. Now moving on to the second reason why you're probably stuck at achieving the pull-ups, and it's simply because you're not using assistance. A lot of you miss the opportunity to use the resistance band to your advantage in order to actually perform the pull-ups. Now, of course, you can't literally do the pull-ups, but in order to actually or technically perform a rep, you use assistance to make it doable, right? So this is why we use assistance band. But here's the thing you don't want to mess up. Use a band which will allow you to perform at least 3 to 5 reps, okay? A lot of you either use a very, very light band, so you struggle to even do one, or you use a very heavy band, so you're getting so many reps, but you're not really building the strength. And moving on to the third reason why you still can't do a pull-up, and that's because you're skipping a very powerful exercise, which unfortunately not everyone talks about. This exercise is the low bar assisted pull-up. All you're doing is you're performing the pull-ups on a low bar by having your legs straight in front of you with your feet on the ground. So you're basically in an L-sit position. And what you're doing here is you're focusing on pulling upwards rather than horizontally to the ground. With pull-ups, you're pulling directly up. So you want to get used to transferring that exact movement from that exercise, the low bar pull-ups, to the actual pull-ups. You want to focus on, first of all, keeping your elbows locked and getting your chin over the bar. And the most important part is to lower yourself down as slow as you can until you get to the ground. If you want to maximize the benefits from this exercise, that would be to have the bar at a height where you're fully locked out with your elbows and shoulders when you're at the starting position. And now I want to give you a powerful program which you can follow for the next 30 days so you can actually unlock the pull-up. So usually it's a round where we use these 3 exercises. First, we perform 5 sets of the pull-ups, where we use a resistance band, which allows you to go for 3 to 5 reps. You're gonna do 4 to 5 sets of these, okay? Take 2 minutes break in between. And then the second exercise, you're gonna drop down to the low bar assisted pull-ups. When you do the low bar assisted pull-ups, you wanna go for same thing, 4 to 5 sets, and try to aim for at least 5 to 7 repetitions, okay? If you can go up to 10, that's good. If not, stick to 5 reps, but make sure they're clean and controlled. Now, the third exercise is the weighted scapula pull-ups, okay? So you wanna add additional weight to your body weight, perform scapula pull-ups, and go for, I would say, 10 repetitions, and do this for 3 sets. If you do this workout 2 to 3 times a week, then you will literally unlock the pull-up in no time. Now, if you're stuck and you're struggling to make progress in calisthenics, then you're probably doing the mistakes which everyone does. And this is why you stay stuck. If you want to avoid these mistakes, click on this video here, fix your mistakes, and I promise you will make progress 10 times faster. Subscribe if this video helped you, and enjoy.